Hi friend, you have two datasets and you want to merge them. So you try a join and somehow it does not work. Sounds familiar? People think that the join is the easiest answer in this situation, but there's an easier way where you will not have to mess around with keys and relationships between the data to filter it down. This is where the union comes into play, which will do just this, and it's super simple. I will show you in this video. Alright, we want to merge now our customers of 2023 with the customers of 2024. Each of them have 3 columns and 2 rows. Where we already see we have one duplicate row over here for the customer ID 102. Merging these two datasets is as easy as putting a union in between here. Now I can run the whole thing and I get a list of all our customers, and the duplicates are already removed for us. Alright, super easy, isn't it? Now we remove the duplicates. Let's see what we have to do if we want to keep our duplicates. Then we will change our union to a union all. Running this, we see our initial 4 rows and Luca Moretti is duplicated. To use the union operator, we have to have the same number of columns in both tables and also the compatible data types. Let's see what happens if it's not the case. Okay, let's see what happens if we add our phone number column that is also present in the dataset on both sides. Running this, we will get an error converting data type VARCHAR to big int. Why is that? Let's have a look at our datasets. We have the phone number in the old table 2023 as a number, and in the new one we have updated the format of the phone number. So these two types are now not compatible anymore and we have to make them compatible. What we can do is we will be casting our phone number from 2023 as VARCHAR. So it's not a number anymore. Still the result will look the same, but this column is now a VARCHAR. Let's give it a name. Now we can run the union. But now we will run into a problem if we want to remove our duplicates. Running this without the all, we still get 4 rows. And we see Luca Moretti is still here 2 times because the number format is now different. What we will have to do is to bring them to the same format. And in this case, I would probably, in the newer format, remove the plus and the minus. And for that, we can use the replace function. So first of all, we will be replacing any occurrence of a plus with nothing. Let's see the result of this one. Now we got rid of the plus at the beginning, but we still have the minus. So we need to wrap the replace inside another replace. And here we will take our minus and again replace it with nothing. Running this, we see it looks the same. If I run the union now, there we are, only 3 rows left. In a data warehouse, we would probably have to think about how to fix this mismatch at the table level when loading the data. Nonetheless, if you need something quick and dirty, this will work. And this is the union operator. If you feel like you're missing on some of the basics in SQL, I have created a free course that you can take. Link is in the description below. If you register, please also consider subscribing to my newsletter so I can keep you updated when I release new content.